If you're using Contensis to manage multiple language variations of your content, you can see a representation of its structure in those different languages using Site View. You can see here that we have some French translations for our blog content. If I head over to Site View and use the tree to navigate to that blog content, I can now switch my Site View tree from the English variant to the French. That adapts my nodes to show the French translations of those nodes and their entries. As I open an entry, I can see the side-by-side comparison of my English content and its French translation. This assumes that the content type allows that language to be selected against it. If I were open the products node and the plant, you'll see that the product content type doesn't allow this language variation, and it's therefore not available to edit. At any point, I can jump back to my English tree and see my content in my original language again. So that's managing multilingual content using Site View.